My mother and father moved here in 1949, around 10 days after Tanner Memorial Hospital opened. My father had finished medical school in the Navy and found out about Tanner's interest in having a surgeon, and he was in the process of initiating his internship and residency at Piedmont and Emory in Atlanta. And at that point, they had several more children, and myself and my three siblings were raised here in Carrollton. My father was a member of the medical staff from 1949 till 1987. He made the decision to retire about 6 weeks after I arrived here in 1987.
I think every successful community, thriving community, has to have a good healthcare system. And I think we're very fortunate that we have Tanner, that it's, I think it's such an integral part of this community.
In my limited experience here so far in my short time, it certainly seems like the anchor point of the community with, a couple other businesses, but it certainly brings people to move here. You wouldn't get people coming to move to Carrollton with other, Atlanta being close by, is that, people need to come here for a reason, and there's businesses, but you got to have good schools and a good hospital, and it certainly draws people to the community.
I think, the foundation has been obviously the anchor, in terms of generating enthusiasm about Tanner. It's putting money and time and commitment back into the community when people utilize the foundation, contribute to the foundation. For the pure and simple reason that it's where we live. Everybody that's a citizen or this city or the surrounding community should be proud to have the Tanner Health here, and also utilize the foundation as an arm for reaching out to assist in projects that might stimulate their interest and their benevolence.
Yeah, I think the working with staff day in and whether it's in the office or in the operating room or on the floor, it's just, and there's people that have been here for forever. I mean, I get stories that, they were nursing students and going around on rounds with my granddad, and, the things and they still vividly remember. And so there's a reason why people have chosen this to be their career home forever and have been here.
Getting to work with family is awesome for me. I didn't have it before my other practice, but I see people in clinic every day that I know and that I've seen before and then see out in town. That's pretty unique, and it's special, and that's probably one of the things that I like the most.